Oh, hi there. This video is going to be a quick step-by-step guide for schema markup. Our last schema video, Schema Markup, a step-by-step guide, was not step-by-step enough, as pointed out by Drew in the comment section. Yes, we read all the comments. So, shout out to Drew, this video is for you. Now, we all know schemas are all about letting Google understand your page better. And when Google knows what your page is about, it connects you with your target audience more efficiently. Usually, you need a developer to write and implement the code. But we are going to show you how you can generate the code, implement it, and test it without the help of any dev. Alrighty then, let's apply schema markups. There are some free tools that you can use to easily generate schema markups. We found MERKLE's schema generator and Google's structured data markup helper to be the easiest to use. Links in the description below. In this video, we'll be using MERKLE's schema generator. Go to technicalseo.com, then SEO tools, then schema generator. First, select the page you want schema markups for. Let's choose article. Then, fill out the required information. Now, after you're done, you should get the complete code that structures your data perfectly. Once you have the code generated, you can implement or paste it into your web page's HTML. MERKLE's schema generator creates code in JSON-LD, the most popular script option, which Google prefers to be pasted into the head section. But John Mueller of Google confirmed that the code can also be inserted into the body section. If you'd like to check your code, there are two tests you can run. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a button with the letter G. Clicking this button will show you two options, Rich Results Test and Structured Data Testing. To check rich results, click that G button and then click Rich Results Test. You will see your generated code snippet and it's ready to be tested. There's also an option to test it via your URL. Just enter your URL and then hit Test URL. If something like this pops up, you're good. Green checks mean good. Now, if you have something like this or this, you have some problems. They'll let you know what those are, and you'll need to make revisions. Typically, if you're using the generator, the warning is about a missing field. Revise and retest. If you want to learn more about rich results tests, you can refer to this link. That handy G button has a second option that redirects you to schema.org to use their structured data testing tool. Congratulations, you've successfully implemented structured data on a web page. If you want to do it on multiple pages, you can do it one by one, or you can find a plugin for your CMS. You can check out our blog for a deeper dive into schema markups. We wanted to quickly show you how you can apply them using a schema markup generator. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.